Come. Number 3 is ELEGOO Saturn 28K 3D printer. In today's world of mind-boggling creativity, where imagination knows no bounds, step into the realm of artistic marvels with the extraordinary ELEGOO Saturn 28K 3D printer. Unleash your wildest dreams and bring them to life with unprecedented precision and flair as this printer unveils a symphony of features that redefine how you create. Picture a canvas of boundless potential, boasting a colossal 7680 by 4320 pixel LCD screen, a true marvel, enabling you to craft your visions in mesmerizing 8K ultra-high resolution. The Saturn II stands tall, offering a spacious stage of 219 by 123 by 250 millimeters, inviting your characters to dance across dimensions. But the magic doesn't stop there. Dive into the details, where a 28mm resolution paints the tiniest strokes of lifelike wonder. The 10-inch monochrome LCD, a towering guardian of creativity, shields your journey against scratches and resin splashes, while the built-in activated carbon whispers away resin odors. If you want to purchase this best 3D printer, the link is given in the description box.